Everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I do have two unboxings for you today. And I'm really excited about both. Okay, the first one is right here. Let's not show my address and everything on it. And I have not opened it yet because I'm just going to do a true unboxing to show you how these come. So let's just open this up. This comes packaged in plastic wrap like this, and what we have is a pair of shoes, and these shoes were actually sent to me from Fitville, and I've worked with Fitville once before. I did not pay for these shoes; they gifted them to me, and they have shoes. They sell them on their website. I mean, they sell them on their website. Of course, they sell them on their website. I will link below to their website. I know they sell them on Amazon and some other places as well. But I got one of their pairs of shoes about a year ago, and I use it to do my walking, and they work really well. So when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to collab again, I said yes. I do get asked pretty frequently about doing shoe collaborations, and I generally say no. But this place I said yes to because I've worked with them before and was really pleased, and so I'm happy to work with them again. So this time I got, let's see if they're called here, the Royal Purple Women's Fitville Rebound Care V10s. And I got these because when I use my shoes, the pair I got from them originally have ties. And when I do my treadmill, I like to just slip in to my shoes. And they didn't have slip-on shoes, at least not like this, the last time that I got some from them. So my shoes from them are tie shoes. But when I saw these slip-ons and the fact that they were purple, your girl was sold. So here's what they look like. Front, side, the back. Here's the bottoms. They have lots of cush. Let's see if they say here. Care instructions. Suggest cleaning your Fitville shoes with a shoe cleaner. Okay. And then they have Velcro right here and right here. So it's not just a one way to get them on. And let's see, I was going to see if I could slip this pair on here while we're sitting here. I don't know if it's going to work, me doing this, so okay, that's not going to work. All right. Should probably have you play some Jeopardy music while I'm doing this. But, where's my foot? There it goes. I like how you're smiling. You're like, what is she doing? So, I got that. And I like my socks a little bunched up in here, but just put this down here. Oh. There we go. So here's what they look like on. Can you see them? They're a little bunched up funny.
Yeah, your Velcro's funny. Might have to take it all the way off and redo.
This is hard to do right now while I'm on camera. So let's just pretend it's on there nice. Okay, 1 minute. I'm gonna go off camera. You can show my bags for a second.
Do.
Okay. Now you can show me an action shot. Here's the oh, now it came undone again. Well, this is a good ad for them. Oh, it's not hitched. That's why. So, okay. That's them. I probably should have taken them out and looked at them ahead of time and gotten them on for you. But they're really comfortable, and yeah, I thought I'd show them and let you know that I think they're good. Like I said, they're good for walking. The original pair I have is a tie pair. But yeah, see that staying on there good. So the Velcro's on there good. If I move my foot around, the thing moves, but the Velcro doesn't come undone. They're comfortable. You can make them as tight or as loose as you want. And the Velcro is really thick because it looks almost like it's not attached, but it is. It's just that that's kind of thick. So let's see if I can line it up perfectly. There we go, like perfect. So anyways, these are my shoes. I was really excited. Like I said, I'll put a link down in the description box below. They do have arch and heel support. And like I said, they're really cushy. I currently have been using, because I used the ones that I got, the tie ones from them. And then I got a pair of Skechers. And the Skechers are slip-on, which made me think then that I want slip-ons. So now I have this pair. And I will gladly use them. And I'm going to do the rest of this video with one shoe on and one shoe off. But now to the other unboxing that you're probably maybe more interested in, but some people do like shoes. This one I have unopened the box, but I've not taken the item out. This is from the Nordstrom sale. And there was a brand that had some bags for sale and some other stuff. And I think this is just the bag that I got from them though. Let me look in the box. Oh, maybe the other items are in here as well. Yes, there are. Okay, so here's one. This is a big unboxing, but I've always wanted to try something from this brand, and the items don't usually go on sale, but they did, so I bought something. Okay, let me make sure I got everything out. So it comes in a bunch of paper, and this came right from the place. The brand is Maison de Sabre. Is that how it's pronounced? I'm not sure because I've never bought anything from them before. So it comes packaged with brown paper. And then let's see. Thank you for choosing Maison de Sabre, where today's creations forge tomorrow's luxury. Born from the vision of two brothers, Omar and Zane Sabre, who turned adversity into opportunity. Each piece we design in Sydney, Australia, carries the legacy of our unique journey. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and luxury is evident in every hand-finished detail. Maison de Sabre is not just crafting luxury goods. We are inviting you to be part of a movement that celebrates perseverance, creativity, and the relentless pursuit of making your mark in the world. Even there's a QR code if you want to look at that, and the back of it has a product here in it. But this is a nice little card they give you here. And I always wanted to try something from that brand because I've seen it and it looks like the leather is really squishy, and I always like that. But for the price of the bags and the fact that I haven't tried them before, there was always another bag I got instead. And then they had something that I didn't know that they had. And I saw it and I thought, oh, this is happening. So you'll be able to kind of tell what it is probably right away when I bring it up here. You get an idea of the color, but this is what I got. Well, one of the things I got. And I got a backpack. Okay, so this does feel good. I wondered how close it was going to be to this, because they have a tote as well that's kind of similar to this. But I'm like, given the fact that if I had a tote that was similar color to this and this, I'd always use this. So it didn't do me any good to try to get the tote. But a backpack I will use. And I know I do have a dragon fruit Coach backpack up there, but this one seemed a little bit more streamlined, and it is. A little bit smaller. Oh, now that's cool. Okay, so let me just show some things on here. It's all wrapped up, obviously, factory wrapped. And I'll be keeping this, so I'm going to rip it all off here in front of you. So you can do a couple things with this, obviously. Because these are removable, I'm sure you could clip the straps together and use this like crossbody if you wanted to carry it that way. Otherwise, obviously, these straps would be used for hanging it off your back. But just want to show it in all its glory. This is cool. So the back has a zipper part here. And the zipper part is pretty substantial. You can stick that. I bet you my phone would fit in there. Or you could put cash in there if you're worried about carrying your backpack around somewhere. You could always put it there instead of, I know people worry about people getting into this. So it's got this little key item here. And then this is where these attach on the back and they're removable. It says the name right there. The little handheld rolled handle. And then it's got the name right there. And then you open it up. Oh! And they even have a nice dust bag. So they have a nice dust bag there. That's pretty nice feeling. And then a lot of stuffing. So the inside has like a pocket for, you could probably fit a phone in there as well. A slip pocket. Then there's a zipper pocket right there. And then otherwise it just opens up to a big hole. There are magnets on the side. The top is a magnet. I just think this is super cute. And look at, you could hang a bank charm off of here if you wanted to, or off of there if you wanted to, or if you're just carrying this, off of there if you wanted to. So I am really pleased, and I'm really pleased that it's not the exact same color as that. I'm really cute, and it's nice. It's squishy. The leather's pebbled. Missed opportunity. No feet on the back. I mean on the bottom, but you know, in their defense, you're supposed to carry this like on your shoulders anyway, so you can carry it this way. Yeah, this seems very, very versatile to me. And it's, they were still available the last time I checked on the sale. Then I also picked up a couple other things from them. So I'm just gonna open that here. I didn't realize they were all together, so this is fun. So it comes in a nice box like that. That I can't get the cover off of. The box is really nice, and then it's got their little logo on the paper. But I picked up the little cherries from there. And these do open. I know they can fit like AirPods in them or quarters. Let's see. Yeah, the zippers are functional. They have little foam pieces in there right now. But I thought this was just such a cute little bag charm. I didn't get it to wear it on the backpack. I just got it because I wanted cherries. They're so popular this year. And then I got something else here because I couldn't resist it. I love the colors of it. Another nice box. Their name on it. Tissue. Wow, attention to detail is nice. And then I got the little lime. So here's the little lime. And that opens as well on the top here. So there's a little zipper and the little thing. And then look at that, has foam in it as well. So this is a cute little charm too. So these were on sale as well, and my understanding is they don't normally go on sale or very rarely. So I was super happy. I thought originally it was only going to be the apples that were on sale and one other thing, but actually when you go to the website, all of these are on sale. All the bag charms were. I think they're like $20 or $30 off. So I got these two, and then I got this. And I love this. And I think it's different enough from my backpack up there. This is almost, oh no, I was going to say it's almost the color of the Picatin. But it's not. It really is his own color. So, that's what I have for you today. Shoes, bags, bag charms. So, All right. We got through it okay. Shoes went a little iffy, but yeah. But I'll link this down in the description box below if it's still for sale. I'll link the bag charms, and I'll link my shoes as well. And I think that's everything I have. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. Just hit the little subscribe notification. If you hit the bell, it'll let you know when I put up new videos. I generally put up videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. They're usually luxury or contemporary related handbag, small leather goods, shoes, jewelry related content. On every other Thursday, I do a book related video. And then on Mondays, I do a bag swap where I switch from one bag into the next bag that I'm going to use, tell you a little bit about each bag, and then switch out my small leather goods as well. I can tell you that next week, I think I will be moving into this one. I just really want to get into it and use it. I am super excited about it. I think it's super cute. I think the straps are going to be really comfortable. I love the versatility that you could actually kind of wear it across you kind of like this. I love the little slip pocket on the back. This is really a nice little backpack. So, I think that's everything I have for you today. I do thank you so much for watching. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.